Hi friends, welcome back to Marilyn's Vegan Kitchen. I'm so excited to share my absolute favorite showstopper, Honeycomb Vegan Manicotti. This isn't just any pasta bake. We're creating a beautiful visual masterpiece by standing the manicotti tubes upright in a round pan to form a perfect honeycomb pattern. First, we cook the shells just under al dente, cut them in half, then whip up the most luxurious cashew ricotta with nutritional yeast, lemon, vinegar, and fresh spinach for that classic Florentine touch. The assembly is so fun, piping the filling, packing them tightly, pouring marinara so it sinks into every nook, then baking until the vegan mozzarella is bubbly and golden. The flavors are incredible, rich, tangy, savory, and 100% vegan. This recipe serves 4 to 6 and is great for meal prep or impressing guests. If you make it, tag me. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite vegan cheese hack. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I drop a new delicious vegan recipe. Let's grow this vegan community together. See you in the next one. So good, I hope you try it.